Imagine waking up every month with an extra $1,000 in your account, not because you worked overtime, not because you won the lottery, but because your money, quietly, patiently, started working for you. This video is for you if you're tired of living in the red, feeling the weight of bills, family, and an uncertain future. Or maybe you're young, knowing you need to start differently. Or perhaps you're nearing retirement and realize time has passed way too fast. Today, you'll learn how much to invest monthly to achieve $1,000 a month with SCHD, a reliable ETF. This is the path to freedom, even if you're starting from scratch. SCHD is your tool to build a future where money works for you, no matter where you're starting from. Let's be real. Most people live like financial zombies. They work all month, pay bills, support kids, try to smile. But deep down, they carry a gnawing anxiety about the future. The fear of not making it, of depending on someone, of being a burden. What's missing isn't intelligence, it's direction. Financial education was never taught, especially to those facing tough choices. Debt has become an invisible monster silently stalking you. But there's good news. There's a way out. A way to turn effort into a legacy. That path starts with a choice. Stop chasing money and start building something that chases you. That's where SCHD comes in. An ETF that invests in solid companies with consistent dividends like Coca-Cola and Home Depot. SCHD invests in giants like Pepsi and Verizon, companies that withstand crises and keep paying shareholders. These dividends are real payments that hit your account for owning these companies. SCHD grows 7 to 10% per year, combining price appreciation and dividends. The focus is simple, predictable, safe, growing monthly income, accessible to anyone, not just the wealthy. To receive $1,000 a month, that's $12,000 a year. SCHD's dividend yield averages 3.5%. You'd need about $343,000 invested to generate that passive income. Sounds like a lot? Let's break it down. Invest $1,000 a month at a 10% annual return, and you'll hit $343,000 in about 15 years. With $500 a month, it takes 20 years. $2,500 a month, about 12 years. This isn't easy wealth. It's an equation of time, discipline, and patience. The poor investor thinks short-term, selling in fear, buying in hype. The wealthy investor plants and waits. They ask, how much will this pay me for life? That mindset separates those chasing money from those who sleep soundly, knowing money comes to them. Vision, not money, is what's missing. Warren Buffett said, someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree long ago. Today could be the day you plant yours with SCHD as your seed machine. Every month you invest, you plant a tree. At first, nothing changes. The ground stays dry. But one day, a tree grows, then another, until you're standing in a forest. That forest provides shade for your kids, fruit for your future, peace for your old age. While others chase grains, you plant your own granary. The choice is yours. Wondering if you're too old at 40, 50, 60? It's still worth starting. Even if you don't hit $343,400 or $600 a month is relief, security, and independence. Don't wait for a miracle. Compound interest is the miracle, but it only works if you respect the process. Start now because stagnation is worse than any step forward. If you're young, don't waste time. A 20-year-old investing $300 a month at 10% could surpass $1 million by 50. No luck, no inheritance, just consistency and real freedom. You don't need to be perfect or rich. Just start with what you have. Consistency beats amount. Every dollar invested is a vote for your future, a path to freedom. When you look at SCHD, see a way out, a chance to rebuild, to prove there's still time. If you've made it this far, you believe. Protect that spark. Discipline isn't easy. It means investing every month, even when markets drop or news is bad. But that's what turns small actions into big results. Master your mind, win half the battle. Reinvesting dividends is key. Instead of spending SCHD's payments, buy more shares. This creates a snowball effect, multiplying wealth exponentially, speeding your path to $1,000 a month. Diversification protects your wealth. SCHD is diverse, but don't bet everything on one asset. Combine it with tech or healthcare ETFs for a safety net and growth potential. No investment is guaranteed. Markets crash, dividends get cut, crises happen. SCHD is stable, but not immune. Never invest short-term money. Build an emergency fund first. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. That's how you weather storms and finish strong. Money is about freedom, time with loved ones, choices, dignity in old age. SCHD and $1,000 a month symbolize victory over adversity, proof you can rewrite your financial story. The first step is yours, then the second, each taking you further. Don't wait to plant your forest. The shade and fruit depend on today's actions. Subscribe, share this message, and let's walk together toward true freedom, step by step.